I gonna do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money.
My name is Diane Brissett. I'm from Clarkstown, Pure Trelawney. I met in an accident in 2012 in which I got an head injury. And right now, it caused me to have a terrible back pain. When I do an x-ray, they say I have slip disc in the lower back. It is causing me a lot. I went to a lot of doctors and I get no help. Somebody recommended me to a bone and nerve specialist in Ironshore. And he gave me a list with 3 options, option 1, option 2, and option 3, in which I took option 3 because it's the cheapest. It's 144,000 for the therapy session to fix back the nerve and the disc in my back. Unfortunately, I cannot afford to pay the money. And it's time to pay that amount of money. I just need some help to get that money to give the doctor to do this section. Get back on track, start back to work and everything. And I don't need food, I don't need clothes, I just need the help to pay the doctor. And this is a copy of the form that I got from the doctor, in which I pick option 3, 144,000. And if anybody want to help, they can contact me at my number 823-9282.
Yes, people, big up on the Salmon. Don't know the thing, but don't know what's a Newlink there from Newlink Productions in. So this lady, you know, people, as you can see, she have a slip disc that's in her back and thing, and honestly, she needs some help. You get me? I say she needs some help with the doctor treatment, and she said she need help with food. You get me? I say her clothes and them something. It's just the doctor thing she needs some help with, and she say what, right, over 100 and something thousand Jamaican dollars. You get me? I say so. I don't really know whole heap of money like that. You get me? But in the end, people, honestly, before I do get this lady and put her up, she messaged me first, right, and said Newlink, you know, I need some help and thing and that, and I explained to her, I said, I don't have no problem to do need help, but if you can provide any proof, you understand, so she's willing to send out the medicals, whatever she do. And I said before, I said, without, I can't just, you tell me and I even get the medical papers and put up without that and tell the people. You have to do a video to show that you, the person yourself, do need help and you can reach. And if the people do have the heart to help you, but I can't force the people to help you. And just send the video people and I do look at investigation and find out, yeah, it's really true. Spoke to members from the community she living in Clarendon and spoke, and it's really true. And honestly, she really need to help people. And in the end, anyone out there who can assist her, you get me? Please do so. You get me? Please do so, because we see where many people in Jamaica now are facing tough times, and especially with food and them something like that. So you can see where people reach out to Newlink and I say, Newlink, you know, we want food and with this and that. And in the end, she said she don't need food. You get me? I say it's just that the problem she have, and she's a lady who will work as well. You know, it's not like saying a lady who will lazy but because of the problem with her back now, it's stopping her from work and getting her daily honest bread. So in the end, my viewers and my subscribers, anybody out there, you know what I mean, you're willing and you want to help this lady, as I can see, she tell you the number, and you will see the number piece on the video. Also, I'm going to leave the number below the video. Anyone who want to reach out to our people and assist her, and if any more information you do need, you get me, I say you can contact me, Newlink, personally, you get me, and I will do provide with the people. But if you do need to assist her, leave her number, you contact her personally, and you can do whatever you want. You can spoke to her, give her a word of encouragement, even if you don't got money to help her financially, but give her a word of encouragement. If you know a doctor who can do this better, somebody, if you know some water where she can go get some healing or something, if you know one pastor who can pray and heal her, still talk to her if you can. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's not all about the money, you know, to be honest, people, but sometimes just the talking and the strength we can give from our mouth, it's a blessing. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. This is Newlink, and please stay safe out there, people, and protect on yourself, protect on your family and loved ones. I don't know, appreciate everybody who has a Newlink and the people who stick with Newlink and then not sell out Newlink and them not left out Newlink, just like on Newlink, respect on and blessing up. I will say, Jamaica, big up on yourself every time. I don't know the thing, but all Jamaicans and the whole Turks and Caicos, big up. The whole Bahamas, big up. And Trinidad and Tobago, enough love and enough respect. We love everywhere, but you don't know. That's how the thing said. Peace out. Attack.